guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ali, and on this channel, we deep dive into side hustles, passive income, remote work, and much more. So make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date. Today, I'm diving into 8 remote jobs that pay well and are consistently hiring. And yes, you guessed it, most people just overlook them. And these are all jobs that you might not even know about, but it actually pays you really well. So let's just find out what these are. All right, number 1 on our list is Credential Examiner. Now think of this role as the gatekeeper of the healthcare world. I mean, obviously you won't be like performing surgeries or administrating shots, but what you will do is to ensure that those who do are fully qualified and up to snuff. Credential examiners play a critical role in healthcare by verifying the qualifications of medical professionals, ensuring they have the necessary certifications and licenses to provide care. And no, this isn't just paper pushing, it's safeguarding patient safety. With a salary ranging from $44K to $69K a year, this job offers stability and respectable earnings without the direct stresses of clinical duties, okay? You'll spend your days reviewing documents, checking databases, and sometimes even just interacting with, healthcare providers to clarify their credentials. It's a very meticulous job, but the peace of mind comes from a stable Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 remote job. That might just be worth it, right? Plus, when it comes to career path, many credential examiners move up to senior positions, so as credentialing managers or provider enrollment directors, where salaries and responsibilities increase significantly. All right, number 2 on our list is being a utilization review coordinator, where your job isn't just about ticking boxes, but it's about ensuring that every medical procedure and service is necessary and appropriate. This role sits at the intersection of healthcare and administration, serving as a crucial checkpoint in the medical industry to control costs and improve patient care. Now, with a salary potential ranging from $72,000 to a whooping $120K annually, this isn't just like a job, it's a career with substantial earning power. As a utilization review coordinator, you'll review patient cases and medical services to verify their necessity against clinical guidelines and ensure standards. It's like being a detective in the medical world, where your investigations basically directly influence patient care outcomes. This job requires a keen eye for detail and a solid understanding of healthcare policies. Typically, positions may require some clinical background, but many roles provide on-the-job training, opening doors for those who are new to the field, for example. Now, the role is perfect for individuals looking for a stable career that combines healthcare knowledge with administrative skills, offering both remote flexibility and a clear path for advancement in the growing healthcare sector. Now, next on our list is the role of being a technical sales support. This isn't your typical sales job. Think of it more like being the backbone that supports the entire sales operation. With salaries ranging from $74,000 to $132,000 annually, it's a lucrative opportunity that blends technical expertise with customer interaction. Perfect for those who would like to solve problems without the pressure of commission-based sales. Now, in this position, you act as the technical link between technical teams and sales forces. Your day might involve explaining technical product or services in simpler terms, ensuring that sales staff are well equipped to meet client needs. It's about enhancing the communication lines and making sure the product's technical features are clearly understood and properly utilized. Now, this role requires a unique blend of skills: technical knowledge to understand the products inside and out, and the interpersonal skills to relay this information effectively. Now, for those with a knack for technology but who prefer stable, supportive roles over the hustle of direct sales, technical sales support offers a perfect blend of structure, challenge, and the chance to play a pivotal role in your company's success. All right, let's explore the role of Grievance Analyst, which is the next on our list, a position that might not sound, glamorous, but is incredibly crucial within any customer-focused industry. Now, with a salary ranging from $62K to $98K annually, this job provides a unique blend of investigative work and customer service, ensuring that companies maintain high standards of practice and customer satisfaction. Now, as a grievance analyst, your day-to-day involves digging deep into customer complaints to identify underlying issues and potential trends that could signal larger systemic problems. It's a bit like being a detective, where each case could lead to meaningful challenges in company policies or practices. You're not just resolving individual complaints, you're spearheading improvements that enhance the entire customer experience. Now, this role requires strong analytical skills, empathy, and a keen sense for fairness. You'll need to navigate complex information and sometimes mediate between upset customers, and company policies. The job offers regular hours, often with the possibility of remote work, making it ideal for those who value work-life balance but still want to impact their organization significantly. All right, number 5 on our list is being an email marketing coordinator. Now, as an email marketing coordinator, your role is to sit at the crossroads of creativity and analytics. This position offers a starting salary from $51,000 to $79,000 a year and provides a fantastic opportunity for those who thrive in dynamic, results-oriented environments. Now, as an email marketing coordinator, you're in charge of orchestrating complex email campaigns from the ground up. You'll manage everything from the initial planning stages to the final analysis of campaign success. It's not just about crafting catchy emails. It's about understanding, customer behaviors, segmenting audiences, and driving conversions through targeted messaging. This role demands a blend of creative thinking to design compelling content and analytical prowess to dissect data trends and optimize future campaigns. This job is perfect for tech-savvy individuals with a penchant for persuasive communication. You'll often collaborate with designers, content creators, and marketing analysts to create campaigns that not only look good, but also perform well. It's a role that offers continuous learning and the satisfaction of seeing your strategies translate into measurable business outcomes. All right, number 6 on our list is being a compliance coordinator. A compliance coordinator is a critical position that ensures companies adhere to laws and regulations. With a salary potential up to $91,000 annually, this job is ideal for those who have a knack for detail and a passion for maintaining ethical standards within the business practices. Now, as a compliance coordinator, your responsibilities include monitoring and auditing company operations to ensure that they meet regulatory requirements. You're basically the linchpin that holds the organization to high standards, preventing legal and ethical breaches that could lead to significant penalties. Your days involve reviewing policies, conducting training sessions for staff on compliance-related matters, and staying updated with changes in laws that affect your industry. This job requires a meticulous, proactive approach. You need to be one step ahead, anticipating risks and implementing strategies to mitigate them. Now, for those who pride themselves on integrity and have an eagle eye for details, becoming a compliance coordinator offers a fulfilling pathway to impact your organization positively while advancing your career in a stable, ever-necessary field. All right, turning our focus to the role of healthcare coordinator, this job is a cornerstone in ensuring efficient operations within the healthcare system. It offers a salary from $40,000 to $83,000 annually, appealing to those who enjoy organizing and improving healthcare delivery without direct patient care involvement. As a healthcare coordinator, you orchestrate the behind-the-scenes elements that facilitates seamless patient care. Your responsibilities include scheduling appointments, managing patient records, coordinating between the departments, and ensuring that healthcare professionals are informed and prepared for their patient interactions. This role is crucial in the healthcare setting where timely information and proper resource allocation can significantly impact patient outcomes. This position demands strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to communicate effectively with an organization. If you're someone who thrives in a fast-paced environment and takes pride in making healthcare systems work more efficiently, then a career as a healthcare coordinator could be exceptionally rewarding. All right, finally, guys, on our list is being a remote bookkeeper, an essential yet often underrated position that offers both flexibility and stability with an annual salary potential ranging from $30,000 to $60,000. This job is perfect for those who have a penchant for numbers and meticulous financial management. As a remote bookkeeper, you'll handle the financial transactions of businesses from the comfort of your own home. Your duties include recording daily financial transactions, managing the general ledger, processing payroll, and preparing financial reports. The magic of this job lies in the critical insights you provide through financial statements, helping businesses understand their financial health and guide strategic decision-making. With advancements in cloud accounting softwares, managing your tasks remotely has never been easier. This role is not just about keeping books, it's about ensuring financial accuracy and integrity. It's ideal for those who enjoy the nitty-gritty of finances and want the convenience of working from anywhere. Now, whether you're a seasoned accountant or someone looking to transition into finance, becoming a remote bookkeeper offers a promising pathway to a rewarding career. All right, there you have it, guys. 8 remote jobs that don't get enough love, but definitely deserve your attention. Do you guys think that you're ready to skip the office traffic for good? Let me know in the comments which job caught your eye, or if there's one that you missed that deserves a shout out. Again, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn those notification bells. And also, guys, if you guys haven't noticed this already, I started a new podcast that interviews actors, entrepreneurs, and other creators. So make sure to check it out. I'm going to put the socials on screen right now. And also, guys, if you guys haven't watched that video up here that talks about 10 investments you must have before you turn 40, make sure to check it out because it's absolutely gold. But until next time, guys, take care and I'll see you soon.